Are you tired of looking like a raccoon in your Zoom meetings or Instagram selfies? Fear not, my glow-seeking friends. Enter the world of ring lights, the magical circle of brightness that turns your dull complexion into a radiant masterpiece. Whether you're a makeup artist, a budding YouTuber, or just want to outshine your friends at the next selfie showdown, we've rounded up the best ring lights to help you shine brighter than your neighbor's holiday lights. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Xinbaohong Clip-On, our pick for best budget ring light. Are you ready to take your smartphone photography game to the next level without emptying your wallet? Say hello to the Xinbaohong Clip-On ring light. This little gem is like your new best friend. Lightweight, compact, and always there when you need it. Just clip it onto your phone. And voila, instant glow up for your selfies and social media snaps. But wait, it gets better. With its multiple temperature settings and a handy dimmer, you can play lighting DJ and set the perfect mood for any occasion. Whether you're on a sunny adventure outside or trying to capture your best just woke up look, you'll never be left in the dark. Plus, it's got this nifty one-button control that even your grandma could master, so you can focus on striking that pose. Now let's chat about a couple of quirks. If you're taking portraits, that clip might decide to photobomb your shot by obstructing the rear camera. Awkward. And while it's fantastic for close-ups, don't expect it to light up the entire party from across the room. Also, the build quality isn't exactly luxury level. But hey, who needs a fancy ring light when you have 99% of Instagram's lighting needs covered? So, if you believe in keeping it simple, easy, and budget-friendly, the Xinbaohong Clip-On is your go-to companion for photography adventures. Grab yours and watch your mobile pics go from drab to fab. Number 4. Pozliv Overhead Desk, our pick for best ring light for tabletop filming. Ready to turn your crafting, cooking, or tabletop adventures into a visual feast? Say hello to your new sidekick, the Pozliv Ring Light Kit. This little wonder isn't just any ring light. It's your secret weapon for capturing your creative masterpieces overhead like a total pro. Imagine a sturdy tripod that clips right onto your desk, giving your smartphone or camera a flawless perch. Forget about shaky shots. It's time for smooth, professional quality footage that'll make your followers do a double take. But wait, there's more. The ball and socket joint on the mount lets you position your device with the precision of a fine artist, while the gooseneck mount for the ring light lets you cast your perfect glow. Whether you're whipping up a 5-star meal or crafting a work of art, your lighting will be as fabulous as your projects. Just a heads up, this tripod supports up to 3 pounds. If your camera resembles a brick, you might want to explore alternative options. So, are you ready to level up your tabletop game and wow your friends with Insta-worthy glamour? The Pozliv Ring Light Kit is your golden ticket to a world of bright lighting and rock-solid stability. Let's sprinkle some magic on your creativity and shine brighter than your culinary conquests. Still searching for the perfect ring light? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Logitech Litra Glow, our pick for best ring light for streaming. Looking to light up your video calls and streaming sessions like a pro? Say hello to the Litra Glow, a pocket-sized powerhouse that's about to make your lighting woes a thing of the past. Now, this isn't just your run-of-the-mill ring light. Nope. The Litra Glow knows how to shine without the ring leaf reflection that makes you look like you've just stared at the sun. With 5 temperature settings that range from a cozy 3800 Kelvin, you can easily tweak the brightness and color to match your vibe, whether you're going for I just woke up or Hollywood glam. And those controls? They've been thoughtfully placed on the back, so you can dial in your desired glow without skipping a beat in your presentation, or looking like you're trying to launch a spaceship. Worried about where to put it? The handy laptop mount has your back, fitting snugly on your screen for that perfect angle every time. No more awkward shadows. Weighing in at a featherlight 0.35 pounds, this compact dynamo is the ultimate travel buddy. whether you're hopping from the kitchen to your home office or jet-setting across the country. So, whether you're a content creator, a professional streamer, or just trying to not look like a ghost during your Zoom meetings, the Litra Glow is your go-to lighting sidekick. Get ready to shine! Number 2. LUME CUBE Cordless 18-inch, our pick for best ring light for professional content creators. Are you a pro behind the camera looking to elevate your video game with lighting that could make the sun jealous? Meet the LUME CUBE 18-inch ring light, the shining star of the lighting world. With brilliance that practically twinkles, this ring light is beloved by countless industry wizards for its stellar brightness, portability, and size. Let's talk travel. This beauty comes with a convenient carrying case that perfectly holds the included 6.5-foot tripod stand and all the necessary mounting gear. So whether you're hiking to your shoot or just heading to the living room, you'll be ready to roll. Ditch the power cords. This ring light runs on 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, giving you the freedom to illuminate your subjects without being tethered to an outlet. And with a jaw-dropping color, rendering index of 97, your lighting will be as natural as your morning coffee, flattering and oh so necessary. Sure, the LUME CUBE might hit your wallet a bit harder than other options, but think of it as an investment in your creative future. Whether you're shooting dazzling tutorials, captivating interviews, or glamorous beauty videos, this ring light gives you the control and oomph you need to achieve stunning results. So, why not upgrade your setup with the LUME CUBE? Your videos deserve a glow-up. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. NEEWER RL-18, our pick for best ring light overall. The NEEWER RL-18 is the ring light that's about to become your new best friend in the world of selfies, makeup tutorials, and live streaming. Imagine lighting so good it makes your skin glow, and your friends think you've got a permanent filter on. That's the magic of the RL-18. With a dazzling 240 quality LEDs pumping out an eye-popping 5500 lux brightness at just half a meter away, this ring light lets you control your creative destiny with 0 to 100% dimming and a remarkable color rendering index of 95. Your colors will pop, and your beauty will shine like never before. Feeling moody? No problem. Choose between warm 3200K and cool 5600K temperatures with included orange and white filters. Whether you're going for that cozy candlelit vibe or a bright professional look, you've got options. Oh, and guess what? Say goodbye to awkward camera trips. With the RT107 Bluetooth remote, you're just a click away from snapping the perfect shot, all from 32.8 feet away. That's right, walk away from the camera, strike a pose, and let it capture your most candid moments. But wait, there's more! With a sturdy adjustable light stand stretching up to 61-inch, plus a cold shoe and phone holder compatible with a range of devices, the RL-18 is as versatile as your creativity. So go ahead, light up your life and let your brilliance shine. Whew, we made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best ring lights. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which ring light you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.